Well, as we heard about the national record in this contest set by Jensen Johnson, here we have a rich presence of some illustrious athletes. Anu Kumar is only 19 in lane number 2-lap race. And here we go, we are all set for a fantastic finish. So they'll all merge and will start racing in a single lane. And then everything to go for. Here you can see that they are all merging, and let's see that who is going to get the first position there at this point of time. But anything can happen there, and the crowd is supporting them. You can listen to the encouragement that they are providing. And Sukanpreet Singh is there currently in the second position there and setting up a good pace there. The other athletes, some are pushing from the outside and some are pushing from the inside. But how long can Sukanpreet be there at the second position? That's what we have to see. It's nice to see the Asian Games gold medal winner Manjeet Singh is currently running at the 5th spot, and maintaining his position at the first position is Jasprit Singh of Punjab. Here they have the bell. It's Jasprit of Punjab is running at the first position. Manjeet Singh is still waiting there in the wings at the 5th position there. But it's going to be a tough contest, as from the outside you can see that Sukanpreet is also putting a lot of pressure on the leader, Jasprit. And now the lead has gone to the other athlete, and he is for the first time Krishan Kumar is for the first time in the lead. Krishan Kumar is setting up the pace. Manjeet Singh is trying from the outside. You can see that Manjeet Singh is still running at the 5th position there, but is he waiting in the wing? And Sukanpreet is currently running at the 4th position there, but now stretching his limits and running like a sprinter is Krishan Kumar. Krishan Kumar is getting a handsome lead there, about 5 meters ahead, and all the other athletes are catching him. Manjeet Singh is now getting himself to the second position. Can he repeat the magic what he did at Jakarta? But Sukanpreet looking quite promising there. Krishan Kumar is there as well. Krishan Kumar is the 4th position. Now Manjeet Singh at the second spot there, but from the outside you can see that it's the Anu Kumar of Uttarakhand doing very well there. Anu Kumar of Uttarakhand, everything to go for Manjeet Singh there, but the first position went to the athlete raised with both arms in celebration is the athlete of Haryana, Krishan Kumar. What a race that he did, and what a finish by the 19-year-old guy from Uttarakhand, Anu Kumar. He shocked many there by beating the Asian Games gold medal winner Manjeet Singh in his presence, and he pushed him to the 3rd position there. And what a finish by these two guys. Sukanpreet Singh of Punjab, he's also very, very young, and he won that. He was there. But Krishan Kumar of Haryana shocked many there with his rich speed there, and at the age of 23, he defeated many favorites there in the competition. Here you can see that he was there at the fag part, and he was running in the middle. The eventual winner of the race, currently running at the 4th position there. And that is how the race proceeds, and this is what the drama that we often witness in this contest. This 2-lap race has everything for everyone: the drama and the action, the thriller, everything. And here you can see that the man who was leading at this point of time was Jasprit Singh of Punjab, and just following him closely was Sukanpreet Singh of Punjab. So two Punjabi athletes were setting up the pace. Some were lagging behind, and you can see that Manjeet Singh was at the 5th position spot there, and at the bend you can see now pushing his limits and reaching towards the leader is Krishan Kumar of Haryana. Krishan Kumar of Haryana is putting under here you can see that he's making his move from the outside and reaching towards the 1st position there. And as they hear the bell, he knew that the urgent call, and now you can see that he is dominating the race and stretching his limits there and pushing other athletes there to catch him. And here you can see that for the first time it's Haryana's athlete Krishan Kumar. Here he goes, and he's looking in rich speed there. All the athletes are looking quite promising there. Manjeet Singh is at the 2nd spot there and trying so hard to contain the pace of the leader. And the leader of the man of the moment, you can see that from the outside making sensational move is Anu Kumar of Uttarakhand. He is only 19 and putting the Asian Games gold medal winner under all sorts of challenge. And the athlete of Haryana is quite jubilant. Krishan Kumar in bagging the 1st position, and Anu Kumar can't believe his luck that he got the 2nd spot in that contest. It's Manjeet Singh's time to got the 3rd spot.